what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video, we're doing a hair tutorial. We're in my bathroom, so yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. If you're new to my channel, I make Mommy Monday videos, I do hair tutorials, and I talk about luxury goods. If that's something that interests you, subscribe to my channel. If you find this video interesting or helpful, definitely subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you guys think. Let's chit chat in the comments and stuff below. I'm gonna list everything that I use in this tutorial, guys, down below. You can find it. If you have any questions and if I left anything out, let me know. If you're already subscribing, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning back in to another video. But yeah, so let's just get to it. It's a flat twist to the back. I added one clip in, a very small, like curly clip in, which is, I use the better length, I think that's better length wefts, and I just added some clips to it. And so yeah, I just use one like a little weft, like one little clip to give it a little bit more, you know, to elevate a little bit more, give myself a bun, because my hair is like, it's short. So you'll see, guys, when I'm working with how I achieve this look. Super easy how I got it. I didn't sleep overnight. I did it this morning, like around 9 o'clock. Right now it's like 12 and it's Saturday. So if you hear some noise, my kiddos in the background trying to squeeze a video in, you know, mom life. I use the styling gel here. Again, I will have everything listed below. It smells great, has great hold. Only thing I could say that I don't like about this product, and let me know if you guys have something better, is after day 2, my hair is so crunchy and hard. I hate it. So yeah, I'm thinking about maybe next time using Eco Styler gel. I don't know, like, let me know what you guys think. But this right here, it healed my hair really good and it dried super fast. I didn't have to, you know, wait overnight for it to dry. And I did add some moisturizer in with it because this is a lot of product, but you know, so I add some moisturizer just to, you know, add that little extra moisture to my hair. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we are starting off with freshly washed hair, and this is my hair. If you're interested in my big chop, I did a big chop in January, and my hair routine as far as like things that I've been using to help out with my journey on, you know, being natural. And so yeah, guys, I recently got my hair straightened like last week, but it was only to get a trim. I just want to see where I stood since January. I'll have some pictures if you're interested in that, but today's video, we're going to just go into the styling. And to section it off, let me just tell you guys now, I'm not the best when it comes to parting. So bear with me. I kind of maybe have to go over one section like 15 times because, like I said, I'm not the best. But I'm going to try to make this like look really professional. This has been like my little go-to style these days because I just want to take a break from my wig. Which I've been loving it because it's been really convenient for me. But I just wanted to do like a little something different. You know us ladies, we just love mixing it up. Mirror just to kind of see what my partings look like. I think I need to, I'm gonna put my finger here just to let me know that I need to bring it in a little bit more. Alright, so let's see from there. Alright. I will use clips, guys, with my kids. They love the clips, and I don't know where majority of my clips are. I buy like a lot of clips, and I swear my children just break them. My son loves to just clip them on everything. So I'm just gonna oil my part here. I could do it after, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the moisturizer because even though this is a protective style, my hair is still wet. be using this. This is what I typically use to do a style.
Share the love as we get older. Maybe we change. I had my reasons. I couldn't stay. Hope you're okay now. Even if I love you, always a fight no matter what I do. I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing that door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go, I'm waving my white flag. 'Cause soon we'll be gone. No spirit sing, choose wisely, dear, you still got time. Yeah, we're the lucky ones, living every day like it's our very last. Hear them
Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise.
Alright guys, so I let this scarf sit on my head for like an hour.
Take your breath away, baby. We deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away, baby. We deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah.